Want to connect your Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or soundbar to your LG Smart TV, but can't find where the Bluetooth settings are hidden? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to access your LG Bluetooth device step by step. First, grab your LG TV remote. Press the setting button. That is your gateway to all the main features. Click it again to open the main setting menu. From the main menu, scroll and click on Sound. This is where all your audio and output options are managed. Now, scroll down and select Sound Out. This lets your TV know where to send the audio: TV speaker, HDMI or Bluetooth. Under Sound Out, scroll down and select Use Wireless Speaker. This enables your LG TV wireless audio connection features. Next, click on Bluetooth device. Your TV will now begin searching for available Bluetooth devices nearby. Wait a few seconds, a list of available Bluetooth devices will appear. Find your speaker, headphones, or soundbar in the list. Once you see your device, select it and wait a few moments for it to connect. And that is it, your Bluetooth device is now connected to your LG TV. You can now enjoy movies, music, or games with clear wireless sound. If this video helped you to connect your Bluetooth device, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more smart TV tips and hidden settings you probably never knew about. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.